Hey, what's up? In this video today I'm going to show you guys how you can use overlays in Streamlabs. You can also use it in OBS Studio, but for me I'm using Streamlabs, so that's what we'll be looking at. All of these overlays are free. All you need is like a Google account, Twitch account, whatever to sign in. And before we get started, I'm using my desktop microphone, so the sound quality is not going to be greatest, but y'all gonna see. So what we're going to do, in order to use these overlays, open up whatever your browser and go to streamelements.com. Now once you're there, you're gonna sign in with your either your Twitch or whatever. I signed in with my Twitch, and then from here we're gonna go to overlays gallery where it says streaming tools, and it has a bunch of overlays that you can use for free. So they got like this Halo one, they got that one, but for the sake of this video, let's just do a random one here. So I'll click on like, I don't know, aspect animated thunder theme. So this is the theme here, and you get 5 different things. So you can either have it set up like this for the intermission, while it's starting, while it's paused, while it's ending, while you're gaming. Now this one doesn't have like a chat thingy in it. Some of them have like a chat thingy. Some of them just have like, you know, this for the camera and this for the game. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna click this one, and it also tells you how many people are using that theme. So 42,000. So we're gonna click create my overlay. So these are for all 5 of those, right? Because it's a bundle. So we're gonna go to my overlays, and as you can see, loaded them there, the 5 from that pack we were just looking at. Now, for example, if I want to use this one, I can basically go here and copy URL. But if you want to edit your thing before you do that, you can click on edit, and here it's going to show you how it looks, the layout. You can change some things, like you can make some things wider, you can move the things around if you want, you know what I mean? So you can do all of that, or you can just use it how it comes. I'm just gonna not save anything here just for the sake of this video. So then I'm gonna go here, copy URL. Now we're gonna go open Streamlabs, and I believe I already have one set up in here. We'll see right now. Yeah, so this is the one I was using before over here. Now if I wanted to change this, if you want to change this, for example, the first thing you're going to do is go to sources. You're going to click the plus sign, and you're going to find the browser source. That right there, right? I already have that added here, so I'm going to double click on it, and then I will change this overlay to the one that we just selected. So that's going to be our new overlay. Make sure your thing here is 1920 to 1080, or it's not going to work like properly or look proper. And after that, you simply click close. So as you can see, that is the overlay. I don't know why it's looking like that. Let me restart. Maybe it's bugging out from the one before, but that is how you get them, how you use them. We can do another one just to look at it real quick. Yeah, so this one, I guess you gotta adjust it a bit. I don't know what I did with that one. Or maybe I can just move this down into here. Yeah, so you can just move that down into there, my bad. But so that's how you would set it up. This is where I would be. This would be what latest subscribers, all that stuff would be down here, and here would be your game. You can also find other overlays like that have a chat function in them, but I don't see the point of that really, because you already have the chat like in Streamlabs. But if I was to use another one, for example, let's go to I don't know, let's try this crap. So copy URL, and we're gonna go to Streamlabs, and I'm gonna go back into browser source and select the URL, paste in the new one. Make sure this is 1920 and 1080, and that will be your new overlay. Now you're gonna have to move your camera over here, stretch it to fit, whatever. But yeah, so this would be another overlay. Your game's gonna be here. The chat will pop up here. Sometimes it does not pop up. At least for me, it was messing around one time, so what I had to do was restart the Streamlabs, and then it started like working, right? But that's how you do it. Obviously, to set up the overlay, then you obviously put in your streaming key, and you would just simply click go live over there, which I'm not going to do now. But that's how you can get overlays, set them up in Streamlabs. I'm pretty sure for OBS it's the exact same thing. You would just add source, go to browser source, copy the URL directly or edit it, and then copy that URL. And yeah, there's tons of them. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know. Sorry about the quality. I told you it's going to be crappy audio quality, but at least you can get your overlay set up. So subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, peace.